Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a solar power bank charger. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the box. And right here is the solar power battery charger. The power bank. Right here on this side it says it's a solar charger, high capacity, fast charge, universal, and LED flashlight. And in the back you have some warning and different languages. So this is the 28,800 milliamp solar charger. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so you get a little notification right here that says power your life, power your way, or your work. So that could be a tablet, a phone, a camera. So right here you have a reward, a warranty activating link, and then you have a user manual. So if you want to get warranty on this, that other card before is to activate your warranty. This is just shows you how to charge your device as long as it's got wireless charging. So here's the layout, the specifications, how to use the LED flashlight. This does have an SOS. There's 3 different flashing. So this basically tells you how to get those to work. And this is the power bank. You can see it's pretty big and thick. So right here is the USB cable. Just gonna lift this up right here. And right behind it is the cable to charge your device. If you're like me and have a phone that does not have apparently a wireless charging, you can still use your Type-C charging cable. And now let's get into these charging bank. You can see it's a bit bulky. It's a little heavy. And then right here is your solar power right here to charge when you are finished using this. Here are your flashlights. You get 2 of them with this. And if you make your way to the bottom, this is your power button. This also powers up your flashlights. And now if you want to charge it via USB, you'll just flip this little flip right here, or this little flap, and this will expose your USB ports. You have a USB out 2, USB out 1, and I think I have it upside down. And in the middle one, you could charge it via the cable through your outlet plug. But if you don't want to do that, you can charge it by the sun because this is a solar charger. So when you're done with charging it with the USB, just go ahead and click that knot back on. And then it's very nice. It's kind of thick. It's definitely got some weight on it. So in order to turn the flashlight on, you actually have to hold down the power button. And if you push it down, it'll start flashing. You push it down again, it'll flash a different, much faster, and then you have one more. And then you've got off. So in order to activate this, you would actually have to hold down the button. Once you hold it down, it'll turn on. If you want the flashing, which is the SOS, click the button once. You got another to go faster. And then there is your solar part right here. So now if you want to charge your phone basically using the wireless, my phone obviously does not have it, so I can't use it. So in order for you to use this, you just let it sit on here. When it's charging, you'll see this little light right here light up. So as my phone don't support the wireless charging, I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, and I'm going to use the Type-C cable to connect it to the power bank. Just flip this little lip right here. Doesn't matter which one you want. So I'm going to click it in right here. Oh, got it upside down. And then you'll see my phone light up. You can see this is actually charging at a fast pace. See the little light that's going up? This is what the Xiaomi Redmi's do. And you can see right here on the side, this is your status bar. Right here, this is completely fully charged. So once the status is all the way down to the end, that basically means you need to charge it. Regardless if you want to charge it through the sunlight or if you want to charge it through the plug. I have not had a chance to charge it yet as I took it out of the box and this is completely fully charged. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you that my phone is charging. You can see that it's charging quickly. I did try my OnePlus on this one. It went from 40, my battery to 40% all the way up to 100% in like 12 minutes. And this phone here, the Xiaomi, it doesn't take much to charge these ones, so definitely it is a fast charger. I would definitely recommend this. It is a little bit bulky on the side, but it does have some good grips. I mean, it is a power bank, a very good, powerful one. You have wireless charging. You just basically set your phone on this. It puts out about 5 watts on it. You just set it either way, and then you'll see the light up at the top once it's done charging. And there's your solar part. It is got some weight to it, but not too bad. You can see the grips are very sturdy. It's got really good grips, so you won't be slipping or dropping this. You do have a flashlight and an SOS flashlight, so if you're interested in that, that's a good feature. You can put like a little clip on here to carry that on your backpack or your pants or whatnot. And then here's your indicator light. So I mean, anything that you're looking for to beef up your tablet or your phone with really good capacity, I would definitely check this one out. This is definitely a must-have. If you're interested in this, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.